Alright, what's up YouTube? I have my notebook, t-shirt, measuring tape, pen, and I have the computer next to me. This video is going to be on how I made, this is going to be the first video on how I made my t-shirt template I use for sublimation printing. So the first thing I did was go on a computer to t-shirt space. shirtspace.com, found the shirt, and they have sizing charts on there. This is a 2X, so we're going to do some measurements for our 2X, 3X. Let's go. I'm going to write them down. On shirt space for the body length, for 2X and 3X, for 2X it's saying 31.5, and for 3X it's saying 32.5. But I'm gonna measure this 2X, and that's gonna be my measurements for the 2 and the 3X. Just do that to make sure it's accurate. And I'm gonna turn the sideways. That'll be a little better for me to measure and you all to see. So let's come here from the top to the bottom. I have about 31, not the 0.5, but 31. Well, if I take it from here to here, then it's about 31, 32 inches. So as y'all can see, I got that measured. So I'll take this and put 2X. It already told us on here that it was 31.5. You can go with that 31, 32 up in that area. So up and down, 31.5. Side to side. The width, I'm getting about 25, about 25. So on here they have 26, 27, which is cool. We go with that. So you can say 27. I stick with that. So I'll do this here. Boom, boom, boom. So you're gonna need these measurements, you guys. We know from here to here, about 31.5. Here to here is about 27.5. And I got this number basically from t-shirt space, because you know, all shirts might not be measured exactly the same. They should, but they probably not. The next important measurement is this here, from the armpit to the bottom, because you need that measurement. So boom, armpit to here, I'm getting about, come on, shirt, about 18 and a half. Write my measurements down, 18 and a half. Boom. This sleeve under the armpit is, boom, boom, I'll say 7 inches. 7 inches there. And I'll say from end of the armpit area to here. That's my next measurement. top of the shirt to the armpit, another armpit. And this is where a lot of problems come in at, because some sleeves are not as long as other sleeves. So I take that to that, and that's about a good 19 inches, maybe 19 and a half. And now I'll come in with the sleeve here and go from here to here. That's about, say, 8.5, which is a really little small, but we're doing this for 2X and 3X. Then I want to stretch the shirt out. Stretch it out, and I want to go from sleeve to see the length. So we're gonna need to make sure we have enough bleed for this. So from here, it's all the way over here. So for this shirt here, it's registering at about, and I'm putting it on here as if I printed it out. Y'all might can't see this corner here. And I'm doing it to stretch it out. So at about 40, corner to corner, I got about, come on thing, 42 maybe, 42-ish, 42-ish. And our bleed area be just a little bit bigger, just a little bit bigger. So we did the 2X and 3X for my extra large and large. I'm just showing y'all the measurements, how I did this. So I come from here to here. So on, for extra large, they got 24 inches, 24.5, and I'm getting about 24 inches. So we go to 24.5, that's enough. So it would be large, extra large. Go with the curve, boom, 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 boom. And really we could just take the measurements off of shirt space. So shirt space have the body width at 24.5, since we see it's kind of accurate. As the body width, the length, they have 31. So let's see. Top to the bottom. Turn sideways and let's see what we're working with here. Sideways. So yep. That's about, that's a little longer than 31. So that's about 31. Yep, 31. So top to the bottom is 31. And I'm mainly writing it down so I don't have to keep flipping back and forth on the computer. Armpit area to the bottom is under 18 inches. So it's about 18 and a half, all of it. Under armpit to here. about 7, no, 6.5. I'll go with. Outside of the sleeve here. About 8.5. And I want to measure from the bottom of the sleeve to the top. Straight line. It's about 9. I say about 18.5 also. Alright, and I think I got a medium shirt for my small and medium. It's extra small. Medium. So on t-shirt space, it's saying that a medium is 21 inches. 21.5 inches. Side to side, 21.5. Let's see. Yep, so that's about right. So it's gonna be for the small and medium. My small, medium. And I'll talk about my little draw, my little sketch, quick sketch. So it said it's 21.5. Top to bottom. The length, they have a 29. Nope, that's about right, 29. So this is the part here that we need. So this is coming in at a 17 maybe. Say about a 16.75. Let's go with that. 16 to 17, more towards 17. Sleeve is about 6 inches under. 6. From here to here, it's about 7.75, a little over 7. From here to here, we got here to here, got about 17, let's say. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I have my small measurements, medium, large measurements. I did all my measurements. Now, the next video, I'll be doing it on the computer. We have all our measurements already. Now it's time to take it to the computer.